In this video, we will discuss beware of objects comparison. For example, we have a name Max and there is another name Max in which object is true. When I am going to equal it, it would return true. But if we are going to read as object, then it will be false. Objects and arrays hold a special place in JavaScript. Let's see an example of that. I have sample object 1 and 2. In object 1, I have true properties. Its name and address. In object 2, I have address and name. If I am going to compare it with object 1, it will return as false. If I open this browser and inspect with console log, go to console and it has returned as false. But if in console log I do like this, if I have to compare name, then I will its property like this, object1.name double equal to object2.name. I will save it and will go again to check it. It will return, here is the result true. Whenever we have to compare the properties of object, we compare it like this. If you see another way of comparing properties, I have a function here. Compare in which I have object 1 and object 2. In a previous example, we discussed with object.keys. In the same way, we have getOwn property name. I have written a function here which is comparing A and B object. In this function, I have put object.getOwn property. From here, it will take property, name and address. In the same way, it will take of B. I want to check whether the length of A and B is same or not. If it is not equal, then it will return as false. Now at A property, we have put for each. If A property name is not equal to B property name, then also it will return as false. Otherwise, it will return as true. We have done console log here. We will comment this console log. And this one we will do uncomment. I did Control S here. We will clear console log and save, and it has returned as true. Here I have checked with console log. It has given me the properties name and address. If I go to B properties, in this it has taken properties of B, name and address. It has checked that if the length is not equal to A, then it will return false, even though our length is same. So at A prop we have put for each. So we are able to see more than one property. If A property name is not equal to B property name, then also it will return false, otherwise true. If the conditions are not correct, then it will return as true. If we have to take values, we do object1.name, object2.name. We never do it compared directly with double or triple equal.